Let's talk about something that, let's be honest, can be kind of stressful for all of us. Making sure our digital lives are safe. I mean, our phones are basically our memory keepers, right? Full of photos, important messages, and the thought of losing all that or just the headache of switching to a new phone, it's a lot. But you know what? It really doesn't have to be.
We've all been there, right? That split second of pure panic when you can't find your phone, and your mind immediately jumps to, everything's gone. Years of photos, conversations with friends, all of it. It's like a modern nightmare. But what if I told you there's a way to make sure that fear never becomes reality?
The good news is you absolutely can be. In this explainer, we're going to give you the keys to the kingdom. We're going to show you exactly how to build a bulletproof system to protect and move your data so you can do it all with total confidence. Let's dive right in.
Okay, first things first. We're going to build what I like to call your forever photo vault. Seriously, think of this as the best possible insurance policy for your pictures and videos. The whole point here is to get your memories locked down and safe long before you even start browsing for a new phone.
And it all comes down to 3 little settings in Google Photos. It's super simple. First, the no-brainer, hop into your photo settings and just make sure that main backup switch is flipped on. Second, and this one is so important for quality, go to Backup Quality and choose Original. That means 0 compression. Your photos stay perfect. And finally, under mobile data usage, set it to unlimited. Why? Because this means every photo you take gets saved to the cloud instantly, even if you're not on Wi-Fi. Nothing gets left behind.
And this quote just hits the nail on the head. We always think about recovering photos after something bad happens, but the real secret, it's setting up a system where they can't get lost in the first place. And with those 3 settings, that's exactly what you've just done. All right, your photo vault is built and secure. Awesome. Now for part 2, moving day. You've got that shiny new iPhone, and you want to bring your whole digital life over from your old Android. Well, Apple has a tool for that, and we're going to walk through exactly how to make it a totally seamless switch. Before we get going, let's get our ducks in a row. It's pretty straightforward. You're going to need both phones, obviously. Make sure they're both on the same stable Wi-Fi network. That's key. And last but not least, please plug them both in or make sure they are fully charged. A transfer that dies halfway through is a headache nobody needs. Okay, the process kicks off on your new iPhone. As you're going through that initial setup, keep an eye out for a screen called Apps and Data. That's your cue. You're going to choose the option that says Move Data from Android. Now, a quick heads up, and this is super important. If you've already set up your iPhone, you will have to erase it and start the setup over to see the screen. While that's happening, grab your Android, head to the Play Store, and install the Move to iOS app. After you do that, your iPhone is going to show you a unique one-time use code. You can think of this as like a secret digital handshake. It's what makes sure your data is only going from your old phone directly to your new one and nowhere else. Now, this is the really cool part. You just punch that code from the iPhone into the Move to iOS app on your Android. The phones then get clever and create their own private little Wi-Fi bubble to talk to each other directly. Your Android will then show you a checklist of everything you can bring over. Just select what you want, hit continue, and then you just sit back and let them do their thing. So what exactly gets to make the journey? Well, you'll be happy to know it's a lot. All the big stuff is covered. Your contacts, your message history, all those photos and videos, bookmarks, email accounts, and calendars. It even moves your entire WhatsApp history now, which is huge. Plus, it'll suggest similar free apps for you to download from the App Store. But, and this is a really important but, the automatic tool isn't quite magic. It doesn't move everything. So managing your expectations and knowing what gets left behind is just as critical as knowing what comes with you. It's the key to a truly smooth, no surprises move. And this table breaks it down perfectly. On the left, that's everything the Move to iOS app takes care of for you. Easy peasy. On the right, though, are the things that'll need a little extra TLC. We're talking about Android-only apps, any music you have downloaded as MP3 files, your custom ringtones, and some of the more nitty-gritty system settings. So, for everything in that right-hand column, we just need a plan B. But don't you worry, manual does not mean difficult. Think of these as just a few simple targeted missions to make sure no data gets left behind on the old phone. And you've got some great, simple options. For big collections of files, like your music library, the classic computer method is your best bet. Just plug in the Android, drag the files to your PC, and then sync them to your iPhone. For documents and things like PDFs, a cloud service like Google Drive is your best friend. Upload from the Android, download on the iPhone. And for just a few critical files,
The easiest way is sometimes the oldest trick in the book. Just email them to yourself.
And just like that, you've done it. By following these steps, you've really accomplished two huge things. You've built that forever vault, so your photos are always safe no matter what. And you've created a seamless bridge to bring your digital world over to your new device without all the stress. See, you're in total control.
So we'll leave you with this last thought. You've nailed it. Your memories are totally safe for this switch. But technology never stops changing, does it? The real takeaway here is that taking care of our digital memories isn't just a one-time chore. It's an ongoing practice. So the question is, how will you keep your system updated to protect your memories for the next switch and the one after that?